Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today for the launch of Lakeview DXE Club. Before we get into the details, I wanted to take a moment and share my sincere thanks for the ongoing support of Dyke Properties. If you're familiar with our Craftsman project, which is really 7 minutes down the road, this is a continuation, but yet more further east, closer to the Etobicoke border at Long Branch. The charm of Lakeview itself, Dixie Road has historic value. You have the lake, the transit, the golf course, 2 golf courses, bike trails. You can bike right downtown. All kinds of world-class amenities, but being complemented by the amount of amenities that are being offered within this building. I've developed a lot of properties in Mississauga, and I would really be saying that this is one of the pinnacles. We're proud to announce that we'll be breaking ground at DXE Club in the latter part of 2022. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. We look forward to seeing you at Lakeview DXE Club. Thank you for your time.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the exciting launch of Lakeview DXE Club. There is so much we want to share with you today, but before we jump into talking about the projects itself, let's talk about the developer and the great minds behind the projects, Dyke Properties. Dyke is a leading city builder with over $1 billion in value created projects that are already completed and $3 billion more in its upcoming pipeline. Dyke is not only developing in the GTA, but also has a massive foothold in South Florida, specifically in Sarasota, developing beautiful boutique condominiums right by the waterfront. Over that course of time, Dyke has built an incredible team of in-house experts in every facet of development, including entitlement, zoning, finance, project sales, and project marketing. Now let's talk about the opportunity in front of us today. Introducing Lakeview DXE Club, the most sought-after project in the GTA. One of the most unique characteristics about Lakeview DXE Club is the domino effect. Lakeview DXE Club is the first domino to spark the change that is about to transpire in the Inspiration Lakeview revitalization and the community surrounding it. Lakeview DXE Club is situated in the northern edge of the Inspiration Lakeview Master Plan, which is a once-in-a-generation community. Now, what does that mean? When you're looking at master plans, you want to firstly examine the scale. If you look across the GTA at some of the most well-known real estate developments and master plans that we have, including Concord City Place, Mobilio, Crosstown, Brightwater, and Square One District, you'll see that the scale of those master plans range from 54 acres to about 130 acres. When you're looking at the scale of the Inspiration Lakeview community, you're looking at 177 acres of a beautiful master plan community situated right on the waterfront. Have a look at this incredible master plan community from a bird's eye perspective, with over 8,000 new units coming to market, being the future homes to 20,000 new residents, creating 1.5 million square feet of new employment space and 9,000 new jobs, 180,000 square feet of street front retail with 67 acres of waterfront lands and 27 acres dedicated to parkland. Bonnie Crombie, the mayor of Mississauga, had put it best. She stated that the inspiration behind this Lakeview waterfront community is to turn it into a world-class destination to rival cities like Stockholm, Chicago, and San Francisco. This waterfront community will attract a new generation of residents to Mississauga with livable, walkable communities that are connecting the lakeshore from east to west. In addition to being located at the border of the Inspiration Lakeview community, Lakeview DXE Club is also strategically surrounded by some of the most significant master plan communities in the GTA, including Port Credit, Long Branch, Dixie Mall, and Sherway Gardens. Next, let's talk about the architecture. Follow me. I'm standing here right in front of the beautiful Lakeview DXE Club scale model. Comprised of two perfectly scaled buildings at 8 and 12 stories, this boutique community features a contemporary material palette seamlessly complementing Lakeview's diverse community. A combination of warm gray brick and cool colored precast gives a light and airy feel inspired by the waterfront lifestyle. Lakeview DXE Club is designed in a way that offers beautiful views of Lake Ontario and downtown Toronto. Between the two buildings lives a raised central courtyard, providing a distinct sense of community within the evolving urban fabric. The architecture perfectly complements our design-forward interiors, featuring timeless and beautiful features and finishes. Kitchens with contemporary cabinets, modern linear tiled backsplashes, and quartz kitchen countertops. Choice of 3 designer-selected color palettes to perfectly reflect your own personal lifestyle, with expansive windows, spacious balconies, and terraces. Everyone, for those who are seeking to really infuse your lifestyle, when you're buying at Lakeview DXE Club, the interiors don't just mean the space within your unit. We also mean the incredible amenity programming that was curated just for you and your lifestyle. Over 50,000 square feet of interior and exterior amenities right in your building within this community. With your quality of lifestyle in mind, Van Dyke has curated 3 separate areas within the Lakeview DXE community to enhance your lifestyle. On the first floor of amenities, Van Dyke has dedicated spaces to your wellness center, your yoga and stretch studio, a golf simulator with a putting practice green, a bike maintenance and storage areas, as well as an entertainment theater lounge. Our second floor of amenities is dedicated to professionals and families with a kids' play space, a private party room, co-working space with an outdoor terrace, and a pet wash. And finally, the crown jewel, the 7th floor amenities, which feature a games room, a social club, outdoor rooftop lounges with green rooftop pathways, and a beautiful outdoor movie and entertainment lounge, as well as outdoor terraces that overlook Lake Ontario and downtown Toronto. Right outside of your front door are 2 beautiful golf courses, and let's not forget, we are right across from Lake Ontario, which means proximity to beaches, incredible parks, green spaces, conservation areas, absolutely perfect for families and those that have an active lifestyle. In addition to the stunning natural surroundings, Lakeview DXE Club is also in incredibly close proximity from all the urban conveniences you would expect. Major shopping centers like Sherway Gardens and small restaurants and boutique shops all along the Lakeshore Strip and Port Credit. As we all know, Van Dyke is a huge proponent of creating real estate developments around major transit areas. This one is no different. We're just a few minutes away from the Long Branch GO station, which connects you within 3 stations all the way to Union and beyond. For those of you traveling west, no problem. You are well connected all the way to Niagara Falls. With the area's population growth, Metrolinx itself has identified the increased passenger volumes coming through the Long Branch station and has designated millions of dollars to improve the infrastructure and usability of the station. But the transit infrastructure enhancements don't just stop there. The City of Mississauga has committed and fully funded the Lakeshore BRT, which will have a stop right outside of your front door at Lakeview DXE Club. This is part of Mississauga's Connecting Communities Transportation Master Plan, and it intends to support all of the waterfront developments coming to this stretch of Lakeshore, making Lakeview DXE Club connected everywhere. Now here's where you want to pay really close attention, because this is the offering. Lakeview DXE Club consists of 6 different major product types, including studios, 1-bedrooms, 1-bedroom and dens, 1-bedroom and flexes, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units. Our floor plans are efficiently and really well designed, with prices for studios starting in the 500s, 1-bedroom and 1-bedroom and den units in the 600s, 2-bedroom units in the 700s and 800s, and 3-bedroom units in the $1 million mark. On offer today, our launch incentives are incredibly attractive, with a deposit structure that has been reduced and extended, requiring only 7.5% down this year and another 7.5% down next year, for a total of 15% down right up until occupancy. Our parking is priced at $45,000 and is available for most units. Lockers are complimentary and are included with every single unit. In addition to that, we're also offering an assignment consent and the right to lease during occupancy. Beyond that, we're also capping all of the development charges today. $12,000 for one-bedroom type units, $15,000 for two-bedroom units, and $17,000 for three-bedroom units.